Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday morning and after so long we finally have really good weather. So then I decided to clean the garage because garage is something that I kind of neglect, especially during the winter times because it's so cold out there. We basically just park our car, go inside, and I don't even bother with the garage at all. So since the weather was really nice, I thought let me just go ahead and take care of it because actually they are predicting that after next week, we're gonna have the winter storm. That means the more snow is coming. So of course after that, I'm not gonna have any chance to clean this garage. So as you can see, I do have lots of leaves as well as the dirt. And of course, every time we bring the car inside, the dirt is gonna come. And it's really important for me to clean this, otherwise all the dirt end up in my house, which I don't want it. And I'm gonna go ahead and declutter the shoes also because these are the everyday shoes, the one that we wear it on daily basis. But the one we wear it occasionally, those shoes, I keep it inside the house. And we have a rule that whatever we can fit on the shoe rack, those are the shoes we're gonna keep. And if we have more shoes than I can fit on this shoe rack, that means something needs to go. Otherwise, of course, everything get out of control. And if you even seen my house tour, you guys know that my house is kind of empty looking. I don't like clutter, and I like to see the empty space. I don't like to see things everywhere. And even in real life, if someone comes to my house very first time, they say that, oh, did you guys just move in this house? Because they see that we don't have furniture or anything like everywhere. And I had to say that no, we've been here long enough, but that's how I am. I don't like to see things everywhere. I like to see the clean space. And if the things are everywhere, it's a clutter, then somehow I just cannot function properly. It just bothers me every time I see it. And I'm not gonna say that yes, my house is organized and clean all the time because it's not. With the kids and busy life, it's not possible. But I have a limit. Once that limit is gone, that means I need to go take care of it. I need to declutter and organize it in order for me to function properly. I know for some people it might be just weird, but that's how I am, guys. That's how I function. And I guess today is the day for the garage. And once I'm done here, I'm gonna go inside and clean my first floor because so weekend I usually take care of everything in the weekend. And I have done separate video where I'm showing you how I organize my garage, but I'll just go ahead and show you. I do have this cabinet here, and these are the things that I keep in here, like outside things that we needed, or the kids, you know, like a ball and the rackets and all those stuff, I keep it inside. So once I close it, of course, it looks nice, neat and clean, organized. And of course, we do cut our own lawn, so we do have to have that machine. So I don't have much stuff. As you can see, my garage is nice and clean now. So after cleaning the garage in a few minutes, I came inside and then we had lots of rain and finally we got this rainbow. So I was like, I had to share this with you guys because as you can see, it looks so beautiful right now. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the vacuuming, and every time I vacuum this rug, it give me the arm workout because this rug is so thick and I got this from Amazon. If I can find it, I'm gonna link it down below. But if you're looking for really good rug, I would highly recommend this, guys, because I ordered one of them for this area. And the one I ordered, that was the wrong size, but I love this rug so much. So I ordered the bigger size for here. And the one that I ordered first time, I transferred that underneath my dining table. So I do have the same rug both places, but I would highly recommend this rug. It's really nice. As you can see underneath the dining table, I do have the same one. And that's it. Now, after I clean all the rugs, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the floor. And every time I clean the floor, I use Bona. And I do make my own solution, but you know, I still like this Bona. So both of this rug as well as this Bona, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. You can find Bona actually at the Bed Bath Beyond. And the rug, as I mentioned, I bought it from Amazon. So I will go ahead and link that. So as you can see now, the floor is taken care of, and I even turned on this humidifier. At this point, my entire house smells so nice. And if you guys have seen my last video, I bought this honey pot and I decided to put it here next to my pool cup. And now I'm gonna go ahead and first drink my chai. After having chai, we all were kind of hungry, so I decided to make the Maggi. Now, Maggi is something that we are not too big fan of it, but I keep it especially during the winter times when we want something quick and spicy. So do try this recipe, guys. You will never seen this recipe, I'm sure, anywhere before. This is something different, and once you try it, you will thank me later. So first of all, as you see, I add the oil as well as the chopped onions, and I'm gonna go ahead and saute this onion just for a few minutes. After that, I'm gonna add a little bit garlic. If you like Maggi, do try this recipe, guys. This is something that just came in my mind, and once I made it, everyone in my family liked this kind of Maggi. So I would highly recommend that at least just try once and let me know whether you liked it or not. So here I add the different color bell pepper. Now, if you don't have different color bell pepper, no big deal. You can just add the green bell pepper and that's fine. Also, I'm gonna add the green peas in there. After mixing everything, I'm gonna go ahead and add the chili garlic sauce. Now, I just had a little bit left in there, that's why I was kind of struggling to take it out. But you need about tablespoon to 2 tablespoons chili garlic sauce in here. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything very well, and then I'm gonna add the vinegar. Now, I do have the chili vinegar here. If you don't have this kind of one, that's fine. You can just add the regular vinegar. And then I'm gonna add the chili garlic sauce. Now, this is up to you how spicy you want it. I add about 3 tablespoons here. I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything, and now I'm gonna go add the Maggi masala that comes with the Maggi. So I made 3 packets, so that means I do have the 3 masala packet, which I'm gonna go ahead and add all of them. And after mixing everything, I felt like it's dry. So this is the water that I kept it while I was cooking the Maggi. And one mistake that I made is that I cook my Maggi all the way. When you do this, you want to cook your Maggi like about 95% done. So as you can see, the Maggi cook all the way. That's why it's kind of like soggy. And it's kind of sticky also. But when you make this, just make your Maggi like about 95% done. After mixing everything, the secret ingredients, guys, is this chili garlic peanut. Yes, you want to use the chili garlic one and not any other flavor. And once you sprinkle it, just let it stay there. At this point, you can turn off your stove, but let it stay there for about a minute or so, and then garnish with the green onion on top and then eat it. I'm telling you guys, you will thank me later. It came out so good because that peanut is gonna give you that crunch. It tastes so good. So do try this recipe. And after everything was done, I for dinner I made the chole bhature because chole is something that I crave like all the time. I can have chole any time of the day. And I do have this recipe, so I'm gonna link that video down below in the description box, so you can check that out. But thank you so much for watching this video. And basically, this is how I spend my Saturday. And I will see you guys soon in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.